For our IME 420 project proposal, we will be working with Firestone Grill. Firestone Grill is located in downtown San Luis Obispo on Higuera Street. Firestone Grill also operates in Bakersfield, Fresno, and Cambria. Firestone can be seen as somewhat of a San Luis Obispo staple location, mainly due to their well-known, highly regarded tri-tip sandwich. The overall customer experience first begins with arriving outside and waiting in line to order. There are two registers that are always open, taking orders. There's a single line that leads to both open registers. After placing your order and paying at the registers, the customer then begins a waiting process while their meal is being. Customers will wait at the Firestone bar or find a table to sit at for their meal. After a number of minutes, the order number is called in the kitchen counter. After picking up their order, the customer can then take their food to go or sit and enjoy their meal.
Our simulation model will consist of one source, 3 total servers, and 1 sink. The source will simulate customer entities entering the system based on calculated inter-arrival time. These entities will choose between 2 possible servers based on a select from list node property with a least value characteristic. After the completion of the cash register server time, the customer entities will join one single queue leading to server 3, or the kitchen production wait time. After passing through server 3, the customer successfully has received their order and will exit the system via a sink. The project objectives will center around decreasing the time in system per customer entity and increasing overall completed customer order throughput. Our experiment controls will consist of the number of available registers to place an order and the kitchen processing time for order completion. We plan to collect data at multiple steps throughout the Firestone Grill customer system. First, we plan to establish the customer arrival rate by tracking how frequently new customers enter Firestone waiting to order. Next, we will configure a processing time for server 1 and 2 to simulate the time taken to place an order and pay. Finally, we will determine the processing time for server 3, simulating the time taken for the kitchen to complete said order and deliver successfully to the customer. After building a successful simulation model and running various experiments, we plan to make clearly defined recommendations to improve Firestone's overall customer experience.